Okay guys, now we are starting next our session, which is connected with the next local position reference system. We call it HPR. HPR stands for Hydroacoustic Positioning Reference System. Acoustic positioning systems measure ranges and directions to transporters fitted to underwater vehicles and objects, or derive acoustic ranges from stations deployed onto the seabed using the ability of sound wave to be propagated in water column. HPR technology is using the ability of sound wave to be propagated in water column with a speed approximately about 1500 meters per second, which is 5 times higher compared with the speed of sound in air. Gents, the value 1500 meters per second, this is approximation because the speed of sound depends on many factors and is not the unique parameter. It is changeable, and later we will discuss why. The ability of sound to be propagated in water column is very often in use for different purposes in offshore. So right now we will overview the general type of HPR application in offshore. First of all, we have to admit that HPR is in use for positioning of the vessels. Then it is applied for tracking of underwater vehicles like ROVs. Positioning of subsea installation and marking of wellhead is also possible with the use of HPR technology. Positioning for drilling operations, and here HPR is commonly in use, and this is a standard to have HPR for drilling. Reference for offshore loading tanker operations. Normally the positioning of offloading manifold marked with HPR beacon at sea. FPSO operations. Here HPR also play the heavy duty work for marking of submerged turret, for example. Tracking of divers. Portable belt type HPR beacons are in use for diving industry to mark the diver track at the sea bottom or inside of water environments.